So I remember 8th grade, they was teaching us basically. They was talking about colors and light frequencies. They was basically saying black is all colors. The color black is all colors basically put together, all different frequencies of light put together. Then you have white, which is the absence of all colors. So if black is all, white is the absent. There's two ways you can look at it. So in black being all, like how I was saying, you're a chaos. Chaos black. Chaos meaning all, really, not necessarily destruction. Chaos really meaning all, meaning say omni. You could say omni in a way. All is the my best way to describe it, because there's so many different things you can get into. There's no restrictions. It's freedom. That's what chaos really is. So that's what black is. You have the way to manipulate it as you so please. White being the absence, you also have the way to manipulate that as you so please, because it's absent. You can make it whatever you want. It's pure. It's pure light. But there's also light in darkness, because there's frequencies in. White is a frequency in of itself. It's the frequency of nothingness. The straight line. And when all the lines come all together, that's white. Black, white, yin yang balances. Exactly. But this stuck with me like for years. They taught us this shit in 8th grade, and it always came back to me. It always came back to me, cause I was like, that's very interesting. Even back then, I was like, I was like, that's very interesting. Black is all, but white is nothing. I was like,